Hey crafty friends, you're watching Cardz TV. Welcome to card number 7 of the 12 Days of Christmas card series for 2019. Now, I showed you these Miss Cake Cuttables Color Me Cuts in my last haul video, and they are adorable. We've got one called Santa Claus and this one called Oh What Fun. And it's got some Christmas lights and snowflakes and penguins and just really, really cute things. Candy canes. And I went ahead and picked out 2 of these cute little penguins. And I've already got them colored. And we're going to take some paper from this Pebbles Home for Christmas paper pad and do card number 7 today. So let's get started. For card number 7, we're going to use sketch number 28 from the Cardz TV Kit and Kaboodle card sketches. And I've got all the measurements on here for you, and you can get all 31 of the Kit and Kaboodle sketches by going to my blog, cardztv.blogspot.com, and they're all free to download. So we look here at the measurements. We've got our card, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. When folded, this is a portrait style card. And our first mat is 3 1/4 by 4 3/4. But I'm going to back it with this pretty deep red. I love to do that because it really makes that blue and white snowflake paper pop on that white. And I've cut this at 3 3/8 by 4 7/8. I'm going to grab my art glitter glue and get these adhered together and get them attached to the front of my card. Next, when we look at the sketch, we see we have a border that's 1 inch by 3 3/4. And I've cut this out of some red and white diagonal stripe. And I'm going to get that attached right there across the center of the card. Now, on the sketch, I have a circle which is 2 1/2, but because I'm going to be using this cute little penguin with the candy cane, I needed one a little bigger. So I took the Cricut Georgian Basic Shapes cartridge and I cut this circle at 3 inches, and I'm going to get that put right there, just like that. Now, I went back to my little packet of Color Me Cuts because it's got little snowflakes in there, and I found this one and I colored it with an Arteza Everblend alcohol marker, and this is called Glacier Blue. I thought that was really pretty. I'm going to add that right up there at the top of that circle with some art glitter glue. Now I've got my little penguin on foam tape, and I'm going to get him added right down here. And I'll tell you what colors I used for him. Now for his body, let's see if I can read these. These names are very small. I used Noir, which is black. I don't say that very well. And Koala Gray for his body. For his little flippers or feet and his little beak, I used yellow ochre and jasmine yellow. For his cheeks, oh, I didn't bring that. I used light peach and peach. And then for his hat and the stripes and the candy cane, I used ruby red and wine red. And I love the vibrant colors you get with those Arteza markers. Now I'm going to take the backing tape or backing off of the foam tape and get my penguin put down. And also in these Miss Cake Cuttables, there are sentiments, and I pulled out Merry Christmas. I've also got it on some foam tape. Here's card number 7 all finished, and didn't it turn out cute? Oh my goodness. Now I decided to put a clear rhinestone in the center of that snowflake just for a little sparkle. But I love that little penguin. He was so quick and easy to color using these Miss Cake Cuttables Color Me Cuts. And this one, the penguin came from Oh What Fun, And there's also Santa Claus, and you can find these over on Amazon. Here's the other little penguin I colored, and they were quick and easy, as I said. Now, if you like this sketch and you want to see some more card sketches, just go to my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com, and you'll find all 31, and they're all free to download. So that's number 7 in the 12 Days of Christmas Card series for 2019. Thank you all so very much for coming by. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.